At a large-scale Sigi-free clinic on Mindoro, the Philippines' seventh-largest island, Alangan Mangian tribal leaders led the prayer ceremony in their native language.
We are now in Victoria, Mindoro. We're having our 290th medical mission. This 219 medical mission natin. Meron Genet, Dental, meron Pedia, and Myosurgery, and also OB-GYN.
The mayor of Victoria called it a unique experience for the entire municipality.
Actually, bearing new po sa akin to, bago po sa akin itong medical mission. Yung mga nakaraan naming mga medical mission, hindi po ganito ka-organized. Grabe po, para kami nagtayo ng hospital dito sa bahay ng Victoria. Iba po ang pag-organize po ng Chuchi Foundation at nakakatuwa po kung paano po kami tinuruan na maging maganda ang flow at process po ng medical mission na ito.
Over 2 days, nearly 2,500 people received care. Many indigenous people arrived by jeep, truck, or even police vehicle.
And yung iba kasi hindi sila makaka-provide pumunta sa mga hospitals na private, yung hirap nila sa pamasahe. Kaya laki talagang tulong nito sa amin, sa taga Victoria.
From children's dental checkups to tooth extractions and the treatment of long troubling lumps, Sigi's medical team brought relief many had never experienced before.
Talagang kanina ay naiiyak ako na hindi mawari kung ano dahil nung patanggal na siya, parang nabunutan ako ng tinik. Ganon, nung natanggal mo yung aking pinabukol ko.
With 46 doctors from the Sigi International Medical Association, 53 Sigi volunteers, and support from government agencies, healthcare services were brought closer to rural indigenous communities. ITV reports.